Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to design beautiful educational posters using Canva. Let's get started. Canva is an amazing tool for creating all kinds of educational posters. Whether you need a motivational quote, a subject-specific chart, or an informative infographic, Canva has you covered. Educational poster templates. First, let's explore Canva's poster templates. They have tons of options to get you started quickly. Search for Educational Poster Templates in Canva. You'll find a variety of designs to choose from. Pick one that fits your theme or subject. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. This is where the fun begins. Customizing the template. Change the text to match your content. Add titles, descriptions, and important information. You can also adjust the colors to match your classroom theme or school colors. Adding images and icons. Next, let's add some images and icons. Visual elements make your poster more engaging and easier to understand. Canva has a huge library of images and icons. Simply drag and drop them into your design. You can also upload your own photos if you have specific images you want to use. Changing fonts and adding text effects. Don't forget to play around with fonts and text effects. Different fonts can convey different moods and importance. Choose fonts that are easy to read and match the style of your poster. You can also add text effects like shadows and outlines to make your text stand out. Adjusting alignment and spacing. Finally, let's make sure everything is aligned and spaced properly. A well-organized poster is key to effective communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.